Hi, honey.
Hi.
What happened?
My brother spilt my sea monkeys all over the place.
And we tried to suction them all back up and stick them back in. And we have some swimming around in there, right? Here, let's see if we can get it on the camera. We had a sea monkey catastrophe. Ugh.
I think they got on my pants.
You think they got on your pants?
Yeah, 'cause it's so wet.
Oh, you can't see on here. But there are a bunch swimming around. They're just really tiny. So, no more brother touching the sea monkeys, right?
Yeah.
You think you have sea monkeys on your pants?
Yeah?
Kylie, I love you.
I love you too.
My children are crazy. We live in like one of the hottest states, and Keen is out in the car. We're going to get donuts, and he's like crying because he's cold. Granted, it did snow here yesterday for like a second, and everyone was like, oh my gosh, snow, and people were taking pictures and stuff. But let me show you this kid.
Mommy, Daddy, I'm a bunch of hair. No, I didn't.
She said you're a bunch of hair?
I was just kidding.
Ay,
Stop crying in the camera.
Okay, do we get... No. Get your fingers in there. One in each hole. Are you too cold to even get your fingers in there? Okay, okay. Goodness. Okay, got his gloves on him. Oh, my tire still looks low. Look. That looks low, right?
Fly away. God.
Amy, are you better now? Good. Kind of.
Yeah.
What about you? Are you cold?
No.
No?
We're going to the donut shop. Can I put chocolate milk?
We'll see. Baby's gonna start screaming now.
Yay!
Hi. Do you love my lipstick look? I should do a tutorial on this lipstick look. It's called Powdered Sugar
Why is that
Perfection.
big one of dirt on the road? Why is all that dirt on the road?
I don't know, baby. Okay, we went and got donuts. And we just went to the bookstore. And then we're gonna go pick up some sparklers for the kids for tonight. That will be interesting and fun. We have to go to the bank, honey.
Yep, it's her.
What books did you pick from the bookstore? Kane,
I picked what?
what book did you pick from the bookstore?
I picked Rainbow Magic.
What is it? Spider-Man?
The free goblins are going on a scary roller coaster now.
What did you pick, Kylie?
Rainbow Magic. Kylie the Carnival Fairy.
There's a book named after you? Oh my goodness. How exciting. Alright, the baby just went down for a nap, so I'm going to take the kids out and let them do the little black snake fireworks. I remember those ones from when I was little. They're fun. Anyways, the state that we live in just made fireworks legal, so they are for sale everywhere. It's crazy. But anyways, let me go get the kids and we can do it outside. There it goes. Watch. Look at it. See how it's turning into a snake?
I'm gonna hold it.
No, it's on fire. What do you guys think of it?
Mom, I want to make a cake.
Let it go.
Mom, I want to make a cake.
You want to make a snake?
I do. Can I touch?
No, it's hot. Now we'll do one that's a color. What do you think of it?
I love it. I will do heat a firework.
Light thing. There it goes.
Light!
A snake! It says it's supposed to be colored. It doesn't look like a color to me. Does it look like a color to you?
It looks like it's...
Scooch back, baby, because the wind's blowing. I don't want it to blow in the fire. Is it exciting?
Yeah!
So exciting. Now they're going to go do their little poppers. This is our New Year's fun because we will for sure be to sleep by like 9 o'clock tonight. Because we're lame.
Why did Dad ever do it?
Throw it hard. Not at Kylie though. There you go. That one popped. Come on, Kylie. Okay, come up here so you guys can both throw the same way. Right, I think I'm gonna let him do the sparklers. I'm kind of nervous. Let's see. One at a time, right? Okay, Kane, put your bag down a second, and I'll let you do the sparkler. We're just gonna do everything right now because it's gonna be too cold later. Here, Kane. Here. Remember, your hand has to be away from your body. Pinch it. There you go. Keep it away from your body.
Okay. Now what?
Now you get to hold it. Isn't it cool?
Yes.
What do you think about it?
Cool.
Are you going to have a sparkler or are you not going to be able to follow the rules? Are you going to follow the rules? Because you're not going to be able to get one if you're not going to follow the rules. If you're not going to be safe, you can't have a sparkler. Is it fun?
Yes. And I want more of these.
They're all gone. You look like Miss Liberty.
One day, can we buy more of these?
Da, da, da.
Miss Liberty.
So after I did my dinky sparklers, Daddy got the big ones.
Big sparklers. Big sparklers.
Are we gonna do them? Kane needs some pants. Okay.
Hey,
No.
No. Okay, give it back.
We'll go do them in a minute, okay?
Let's go blow stuff up.
Oh dear.
You just want two?
Wow.
No, no, no. Don't do that. Just hold it.
Pretty. It's like red.
Like
Oh. Oh, it's on his pants. Oh, it went out.
You're fine, buddy. Just hold it like that. You guys like them?
Yeah.
Oh, you guys are doing so good.
Smoke is flying everywhere. There's fire.
Not too much, buddy.
He's like, whoa. Look at his face. Oh, I wish you could see it. He's all fireworks. Is that fun? Yours is going crazy, Kate. Yeah, yeah, get it down a little bit. They're gonna go.
Okay, hold it down a bit.
Yeah, aren't they like going on him almost?
No, it's fine.
I'm like paranoid about it.
I can tell. Kane. Kane.
What? I'm just going all around. Yeah. Uh-oh.
Coyote. Thank you.